Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy. Today we are going to talk about a topic that's often overlooked in the world of nutrition: gaining weight. While many people are focused on losing weight, there are others who struggle with gaining weight and building muscle. Fortunately, there are plenty of foods out there that can help with this. So in this video, we will be talking about and sharing with you all 7 foods that are great for gaining weight. Our first food is the humble avocado. Not only are avocados packed with healthy fats and fiber, but they also contain a decent amount of calories. In fact, one medium avocado contains around 250 calories. Avocados are also incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes from smoothies to salads. Next up, we have nuts. Nuts are another great source of healthy fats and protein as well as calories. Almonds, for example, contain around 160 calories per ounce, while cashews contain around 155 calories per ounce. Nuts are also easy to snack on throughout the day, making them a convenient way to add some extra calories to your diet. Our third food is cheese. While cheese is often thought of as a high-calorie food, it can be a great addition to a weight gain diet when consumed in moderation. Cheese is a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamin D and can add flavor and texture to a variety of meals. Next, we have whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. They also contain more nutrients than refined grains such as white bread and pasta. Whole grains can be used as a base for meals or as a side dish and can add some extra calories to your diet. Our fifth food is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of carbohydrates and fiber and also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals. One medium sweet potato contains around 100 calories, making them a great addition to a weight gain diet. Sweet potatoes can be roasted, mashed, or used in a variety of other dishes. Next, we have dried fruit. Dried fruit is a convenient way to add some extra calories to your diet as well as a variety of nutrients. Dried fruits like apricots contain around 240 calories per cup, while raisins contain around 430 calories per cup. Dried fruit can be eaten on its own as a snack or added to dishes like oatmeal and yogurt. Our seventh food is milk. Milk is a great source of protein, calcium, and vitamin D and can be a convenient way to add some extra calories to your diet. 1 cup of whole milk contains around 150 calories. Milk can be used in a variety of recipes such as smoothies, oatmeal, and baked goods. And there you have it, 7 foods that are great for gaining weight. While it can be a challenge to gain weight for some, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a big difference. Remember, it's important to consume a balanced diet and to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your weight or nutrition. Thanks for watching. and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Toodles!